All right, man. Fire it up. Oh, shit, Jay. You about to ride it out in the woods? Put these plastics on. Let's ride it. What's up, guys? Back for episode 3 of the Moto 4 build. Finally got all the right parts in, the timing guides. We're going to slap this thing together. Hopefully, Jay's going to ride it in this episode.
Putting in the tensioner guide. Install the cylinder head.
First try.
Well, it ain't a fucking whole thing off, so.
All right, guys, today's video is sponsored by ROCommunications. One of our subscribers sent these in for me and Jay to stay nice and warm and safe. We really appreciate you supporting the YamahaBros. Back to the video. Harbor Freight. Gotta get a dying tap set, huh, Jay?
Thanks to ROCommunications for the sick winter gear.
Yeah.
Warm spot.
Thanks, Rex. We're gonna wear this all day.
Thanks, Rex.
All right, we got it all put back together. About to fire it up for the first heat cycle. Hopefully it runs, Jay. What do you think?
Looks sick.
Is it gonna have compression? Is it gonna start?
It should. Everything's brand new besides the crank.
Good. All right, man. Fire it up. Oh shit, Jay! You about to ride it out in the woods? Put these plastics on. Let's ride it. Heat cycle.
Where's the rest of the shit in the shifter?
Right here. You can put it, zip it right on if you want. Now.
Zip it right on, man.
Let's put her on.
All right, guys, one more quick shout out to ROCommunications, but that's going to be it for today. Jay's riding it home, and the next episode will be the first real test ride. Maybe we'll race it against a QT50 or a full send out back over some jumps. Make sure you tune in.